Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Sharon, and today is 21st of February. As this is the day 0. Today I planned that I'll be uploading the daily vlog or whatever I'm doing from morning to the evening. What is my routine, what I'm doing. I'll record all these things. In the morning I was not feeling well, but I have to detrack myself as it's like that from past कुछ दिनों से I was not studying much. I was studying randomly or I was not on the track as I am not able to complete the 12 hours of the studies as I used to live in the home. घर पे रहती हूँ, बाहर कहीं नहीं जाना रहता है, कोई काम नहीं करना रहता, तब भी मैं 12 आवर्स की स्टडीज़ कंप्लीट नहीं कर पा रही हूँ. सो दिस इज़ द टारगेट दैट आई हैव टू कंप्लीट माई 12 hours of study. For that, this is day 0, and today I started my day with the newspaper, and after that this is my second slot. Here I am revising the ancient history. In the morning I have also studied some lecture from the YouTube of ancient India. Now I am revising it from my notes as I will be adding Lucent and Udan for the prelims of PW for the UPSC prelims this year. This was my lunch. After that I went for the hospital for taking the medicines, and after returning I was quite tired, so I slept. That was not quite good क्योंकि अभी कहीं भी बाहर जाओ और थक जाओ. So that's why I'm taking some healthy stuff. You can say fruits and in the morning and some kind of dry fruits along with that. After that I took the tea along with some snacks and started my studies again. Here I am doing the parliament chapter from the polity as it is one of the important chapter, and I think it is quite difficult for me because ये बहुत बड़ा chapter है ना, so इसे करने में time लगता है. And here I am doing that as I have to follow the healthy lifestyle, so I am also starting the exercise that I am not doing also from past few days. So after completing that I'll go for that, and let's see what will happen to my life and to the prelims of UPSC 2026 this year that I have to give, and I have filled the form also. So hope for the best. Hey everyone, अभी बज रहे हैं 6:41 in the evening और I was doing the parliament chapter from the polity. ऐसे अभी उसमें लगभग around 60 pages है और मैंने भी 10 पेजेस ही रीड किए. मुझे बहुत हार्ड लगता है पार्लियामेंट चैप्टर. आज इसे कंप्लीट करना है और लेकिन अभी मैं चल रही हूँ छत पे, थोड़ा वॉक करेंगे. एक्सरसाइज करनी थी कोई, लेकिन आई वॉज नॉट फीलिंग गुड. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि थोड़ा वॉक ही कर लेते हैं, बेसिक एक्सरसाइज तो वो भी है, तो उससे करने के बाद आते हैं. तो इस चैप्टर को आज कंप्लीट करेंगे. आई एम थिंकिंग टू कंप्लीट दिस होल चैप्टर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट टुडे. देखते हैं, करना कंपल्सरी है, ये नहीं है कि देखते हैं कर पाते हैं कि नहीं. लेट्स सी.